Hey guys, welcome to my newest tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to color grade SLOG3 footages using my free Luts. You can download the file from the description below. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this type of videos. Let's begin. I'll be showing you 3 sample videos with 3 different lighting situations. Ambient daylight, ambient low light, and controlled studio lighting. I will use the non-destructive way using adjustment layer to color grade my footages. Drag the adjustment layer on top of the footage, then extend the adjustment layer to match the footages below. Duplicate the adjustment layer. We will use 2 adjustment layers. One will be for color conversion, and the other one will be for grading and correction. Rename the first adjustment layer to color or any name that you prefer. Change the second adjustment layer as well to grading and correction. This process will help you organize your workflow. Since we have 3 different lighting situations, we will color correct the 3 videos individually. First, let's cut the gradient and correction adjustment layer to match the footages below. We will not cut the color adjustment layer since we need to apply the LUT for all footages. We will now apply the SLOG3 to 709 LUT to the color adjustment layer. Select or highlight the color adjustment layer, go to the Creative tab on your Lumetri color panel, go to the drop-down panel and select Browse. Find the JH SLOG3 to 709 LUT and click Open. You can now see a big difference from the original SLOG3 footage. Let's check how the footages look from before and after we apply the LUT. You can see that we already bring back most of the color and contrast from the SLOG footage. Let's apply the other LUT to the second adjustment layer. Select the grading and correction adjustment layer. Again, go to the Creative tab and click Browse from the drop-down panel. Select the grading LUT and hit Open. You can see that the color grade is applied on my footage. Here's the before and after look. We still need to correct the exposure and white balance of the video. Go to the Basic Correction tab to edit and finalize the look of your video. I will adjust my slider to correct my footage. You might get a different value for your slider when you correct your own video. First, I will adjust the temperature to make the scene a little cooler. This looks fine to me. Next, we will adjust the tint to correct the skin tone. I will reduce the reddish color on his face, so I'll be moving the slider a little bit more to the green side. Next is to add some contrast to my footage. Then we will reduce the highlights to recover some details on the highlighted areas. Around -70 is the sweet spot. We will add some shadows to make the video pop up a little more. Again, all adjustments will depend on your footage and own liking. Add some punch to the white areas by adjusting the white slider. Drop some of the black to increase contrast. Let's see the before and after by clicking the track output icon. Let's move on to the next video. The color adjustment LUT is already active to this video. We will now apply the grading and correction LUT to this low light footage. Highlight the grading and correction adjustment layer. Open the Creative tab, browse for the grading LUT, and hit Open. The look of the video changed drastically when the LUT is applied. We can already use this video, but let's fine-tune it a little bit more. Open the Basic Correction tab and adjust the sliders to correct your footage. I'll be fast-forwarding this face just to show you the value that I come up with. Here's the before and after. Lastly, we will apply the LUTs to the footage with controlled lighting. Browse for the grading LUT in the Creative tab. Hit Open. We'll repeat the same process to fine-tune the video using the Basic Correction slider. Fast forwarding the video again just to show you the values. Here's the before and after color grading the video. Thank you for watching my YouTube tutorial. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the bell icon to get notified. And subscribe to my channel for more free stuff and tutorials. Thank you for watching.